Hi, I'm Rosa. Thank you for joining me. I am going to show you June week 3's meal plan, groceries, and what we have for dinner. So let me turn the camera around and show you what I'm planning to have this coming week for meals. Sunday is Father's Day. We plan to eat out. Monday, quiche. Tuesday, baked potato. Wednesday, chili. Thursday, chili cheese fries. Friday, out. And Saturday, leftovers. For groceries, I need fruit to make juice, lunch meat, cottage cheese, empanada wrappers, spinach, hot dogs, blueberries, buns, and strawberries. There's some things I want to have for lunches that are in this. And I plan to make hard-boiled eggs, egg salad, pasta salad, tuna salad, hummus, bacon, and enchiladas. Some of these items are maybes, so I just threw them in here to see which ones I can actually make for the week. I went to Publix and picked up a few things I needed. The pretzel bite buns, the pretzel bread was on sale for buy one, get one, and I'm going to put some of these in the freezer. I have hot dog buns and hot dogs, cottage cheese and yogurt, Colby Jack and pepper jack cheese, as well as sharp cheddar, thin sliced cheese slices, empanada wrappers, fig spread, this is really good with cheese, some celery flakes, Sausalito turkey, an onion, spinach, and we don't buy soda very often, but my son likes cherry Coke, and I thought I'd give the Oleo Pop a try in the root beer flavor. And that's my haul from Publix. And this haul was $86.54. I meal prepped so many things, not everything on my list, but I did a good amount of items that we could have throughout the week, and it really helped me stay on task with lunches and dinners from our own kitchen. Today we are having burgers and fries, and I have some fries that were left over in the freezer, a bun, cheese. Some of us will have them with lettuce. We have fruit to go along with pears, mango, grapes, and blackberries. Bacon and avocado for the burgers, sprouts, lettuce, tomato, pickles, and all the condiments. So it should be a nice meal. I'll show you the burgers when they come off the grill. This is my burger with cheese, bacon, avocado, pickle, onion, and sprouts, and lettuce instead of a bun. Our son opted for the bun for his burger. And I'm having lunch, and I thought since I got food in my teeth, I thought since I did the meal prep this week, I'd show you what I'm having for lunch, even though I've already ate half of it. I'm hungry, and it's not really even lunchtime yet. I'm eating early. There's what's left of my turkey sandwich, half a turkey sandwich. It's actually Sausalito. I have sauerkraut to put on it. I don't put it on top of it because it will make it soggy. And then I have some barbecue chips. I also have some fruit in the lunchbox. For dinner tonight, I'm having enchiladas that I prepped on my meal prep day with salsa that I had in the refrigerator. I had tortilla chips and my lemon tonic. It's a liver tonic, but it has lemon juice in it. And that is my dinner. I'm having lunch in my car, and I have some of these chips, my water, and I've packed some hummus, a hard-boiled egg, I only like the yellow, some pita, and some chicken salad on lettuce. Tonight is a variety of things I meal prepped. So here's a salad I made my husband. I have some salsa that I had left over from the other night. The hummus is almost gone because it is so good, and I am warming up some of the enchiladas for dinner, as well as my son had some of the empanadas. I have some tortilla chips, and that's for lunch tomorrow. I'm getting my containers ready. Now for the recap. You saw that we had a few dinners and lunches, not necessarily at home. We had dinners at home, lunches on the road. We ate what I made, which is fantastic. And then we took a little road trip, and that was towards the end of the week. So let me show you exactly how we did on our meal plan. We had planned for Father's Day out, which is what we did. I did not make the quiche. You saw that the meals that I made, we didn't have baked potato night or chili fries. We did eat from that meal prep that I made, and of course it wasn't everything on this list, but a few of the things we did. We ended up going out of town Thursday. We had a little road trip that my husband and I took, and we were out of town through Saturday. So my son ate some of the things at home because he stayed behind, and we ate out. I just didn't document it because it was all over the place. But for the most part, we did well on our menu plan. As far as groceries, we spent $86.54. And eating out, I have no idea because we did good the beginning of the week, and then we went on a road trip, and I just did not keep track of it. It wasn't severe or anything, but I did not keep track of it. So we're gonna call June 3 pretty good, but we didn't do bad. We still ate at home, as you saw, and the meal prep really helped me a lot. But I didn't keep track of it. I enjoyed the time we were away from home, and I'll call it a win just on that. Summer is a very difficult season for me because we are busier. I know a lot of people slow down in the summer. We don't. It's our busy season. It's our time that we're actually working longer hours and are out more. And that's why I kind of fall off track in the summer as far as meals go, because I get home either late or tired, and I don't want to cook and worry about meals, and we end up eating out. And that's why I have begun this meal planning. I want to do better, and I want to be able to not fall off the wagon when it comes to eating out. And I've mentioned before, because one, it's not the healthiest thing, and two, it's expensive. That's my June week 3. We call it good. And we're going to continue from here. I'm still gonna meal plan. I'm going to try to figure out ways that I can stay on task since it's our busy time. I see me falling into the old patterns, and I don't want to do that. So I hope you come along with me to see how we try to combat that. And if you have some tips for me, please certainly let me know in the comments. I appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.